Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use Google Trends real quick. So if you go type in Google Trends, here we go. Just click here. Once it's loaded, it's going to bring you to Google Trends page. So Google Trends is a search trend feature which shows a frequent term entered into Google's search engine relative to the site's total search volume over a given period of time. So that what means is whatever's trending right now, and it's mostly searched on Google, it will be here. So you can search by country. So if I just go here, because I'm in the United Kingdom, so I'm just going to put the UK. Here we go. So this is, we'll see what's trending here. As you can see, so we've got latest stories and insights, different things that have happened over time, and here recently trending. So if you just click on here, and there you go. So here's what's trending. So number 1, 2, 3 in the United Kingdom at the moment. So watch the next video. I'll show you how to piggyback on what's trending using keywords. Thanks.